What's up, you guys? It's Options Finest, and today we got another unboxing and mini overview. Today we're doing the Rode Microphone Go, and get right into it here. It was $80 on Amazon, about $85 with tax, and microphones in general. This is good for vlogging. You know, it has a lot of different uses. Oops, here we go. Let me fix that. The box kind of came crushed, I guess. As you can maybe tell, I'm using the actual microphone to record this little audio over. I just wanted to kind of demonstrate the sound quality when you actually get this microphone. And from what I can tell, it's pretty great. You know, it's pretty good as a starter microphone. It seems to do a little bit better outside because it does pick up some input when you're inside from your surroundings. So on the side it says it's 2-year warranty, so you can contact Rode if something happens with the microphone and contact them and fix it. It has integrated, suspension, as you can tell. No battery required. You just plug this into your camera and you're good to go. And it's lightweight, right? So we're gonna get into the actual box here. Okay, so it's a little compact package. Very simple, easy to figure out. It just comes with the mic, some instructions, and the wire in which you plug it into your camera with. And you mount it on top of your camera. It has a little slider. You've noticed it has that. So yep, this is the instructions, the wire, the actual microphone here. It's very lightweight. It's a lot lighter than I expected. Build quality is, as you would expect from a microphone. You can see the suspension moves pretty well, so it stays stable. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the camera and how it kind of works with that. So you pretty much just take the bottom piece, as you can see right here. It has the little screw which kind of clamps it to the top, and this is the little 3.5 jack that you plug the wire that comes with the microphone into, which then connects to your camera. So I'm going to show you how you slide it onto the camera. That's what the slide looks like. You can kind of understand how it works. So you put it into the little metal piece, slide part on the top of your camera, and it's good to go. It's stable on there. And then you screw the clamp on the top so it doesn't slide back off and it doesn't move around. This is the 3.5 millimeter jack that's provided in the package for your mic. If you have another one, you can certainly use that as well. Obviously I'm going to be using this one in the video. So here I'm plugging it into the side of the camera, which is pretty similar for most cameras. You can just find a little 3.5 millimeter jack port that you can plug it into. As I show you, this side of the camera does not have that jack. It is just on the one side of the camera, which you really only need one port for, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, and that's pretty much it for that installation. So this is what it looks like on top of the camera. It looks pretty nice. It's plugged in on the back and then into the side of my camera. So you can move it out of the way so you can see a little bit better view on your camera screen if you're using that instead of your eye finder when you're recording. That's the side jack that I have on my camera. And if you're looking for it on your camera, it'll probably have something similar to this. It shows microphone on the side of the little plastic thing, and you just push it into the jack, and there you go. You're all pretty much set up. It's running, as you can. I will show you in a second here. So here I'm going to turn on the camera, and it's just going. It doesn't really ask you anything of it. It just works right away. Alright guys, so that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be doing a comparison video of this microphone and a different microphone that's slightly cheaper. So if you're interested in that, subscribe and like the video. It helps the algorithm a lot. Thank you again so much for watching, and peace. Have a good day.